Hello folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we happen to be here at Sabamba Alpaca Farm. This is one of my favorite places here too, guys, here in the Pere, Wisconsin. Everything you see is going to be alpaca. This beautiful farm is owned by Tom, and look at all of this beautiful farm. It is so pretty. If you guys ever have the opportunity to come and check it out, please do, because it is a lot of fun. Look at this alpacas. There's my babies. Look at them. Oh, so cute. Está super cute, super nice, guys. Look at how many alpacas they got. Hi. So many. Hey, guys.
Tina. Don't hit the fence. Tina. No, you call her Tina. No, Tina.
Well, be nice, be nice. Don't run at it though.
One through four. There's 6 of us, so.
Sorry for that. Are you guys having fun? So guys, this is where the alpacas feed, and they are eating. Look at that. Hi, cutie. I don't have any treats. Oh, they look so cute. Look at them.
They were
Oh my
outside.
God, they're so pretty. Look at the barn. It's so pretty, guys. They should really
10 years.
Long Beach myself.
Long Beach?
Yeah.
Nice place. All right, so then I moved back here, which is where I'm from,
Okay.
and we started raising alpacas. We shear them once a year in spring.
Oh,
So they
okay.
get one haircut a year
Oh.
in May. So when we shear the alpaca, this is my demo,
Mm-hmm.
we pick them up, we turn them sideways, and we lay them down on the floor.
Okay.
Once they're on the floor, we trim their toenails,
Mm-hmm.
give them their annual shots, check their teeth and see if they need any teeth work done,
Okay.
and then we shear them.
Oh.
So the shear is going to kneel down here on the belly side.
Okay.
I'm going to kneel down here, and then he's going to take a clippers, a big clippers, and go from the hip to the shoulder,
Okay.
and he's going to push the loose fiber towards me. And then he's going to cut again, and he's going to push it towards me, and then I take a hold of it and start bringing it this way on the animal so he can keep shearing. And then his partner is holding the head of the animal,
Okay.
and they rotate the animal in this direction.
Oh.
So
Okay.
he's shearing, I'm pulling, and this guy is rotating the animal. So all three of us are working together.
A team effort.
And we keep shearing, and we keep shearing, and we keep rolling the animal until we're all the way down to this side of the belly. And then everything that was on the animal here is now down in front of me on the floor.
Oh, I see.
Put a piece of plastic on the floor, and then I just pick up the corners of the plastic, and that's what's on this table here.
Oh, look at that.
So this is what we call the blanket.
Blanket.
Which is the main section of the animal.
Mm-hmm.
Next, we're going to go up the neck, And if I say cheeks on, they're going to have a little round bubble head.
Okay.
If I don't say cheeks on, they're going to shear the cheeks off and they're going to have smooth cheeks.
Oh, okay.
And then you're going to do the neck and the upper back legs. That goes in a separate bag. So this is the rest of Winston. This is Winston. So this is his body, this is his neck.
Okay.
And then lastly, we do the lower legs, the underbelly, and the chest.
And there's any reason why you put that one separately?
This is going to be usually shorter than this.
Oh, I see. Got it.
It's going to be sometimes hairier or coarser, not as nice of quality as this. So we separate them. Now, when I work on this fleece, if I look at this and it matches this, I can put it
Then
back
you put
together.
it back together.
Yes, for sure.
Wow.
So this all happens for this animal in about 8 minutes. So
Wow.
we have professional shearers who come here to the farm. We have 2 mats, soft mats on the floor, and they have 1 mat where the 2 guys lay the animal down and do all the prep work. And the second mat is where the shearer is shearing. And then the shearer just moves back and forth between the 2 mats,
Between the
and
mats.
keeps shearing, and I keep pulling, and we keep going.
Got
and
it.
they try to do about 8 animals per hour.
Oh, wow. That's
So
a
we
lot.
did the entire herd, plus a few other farms bring their animals here when we shear, and they have 1 or 2, and we run them through with our animals. So we did 53 animals in about 4 hours.
Wow.
last year.
That's a
And then
lot.
they pack up, and they take their equipment, we feed them lunch, and away they go. So
There
that's
you go.
Once a year.
Once per year.
Next, we have to take this fleece and we have to skirt the edges off, the part that aren't pretty. We have to score it. It gets a score 1 through 6, 1 being the best, 6 being the coarsest. And then from there, we decide what we're going to make out of it.
And you
My-
can make hats.
My 1s and 2s, we make yarn. So this is Winston on the table. This is Winston made into yarn. Okay. My 3s and 4s, we make into socks.
Oh, okay.
So this is done with when I send fiber to a mini mill. Mini mills are small milling operations. There's many of them all over the country. And so I can take 5 pounds of Winston, put them in a bag, send them to the mini mill, say make them into a 3-ply yarn. They'll make them into the yarn, send it back to me, and I sell it in my store. When we're gonna make socks, we need 1,000 pounds of fiber. Because I'm now working with a commercial mill, which has big equipment in order to spin sock yarn. So we take the 16 different natural colors that alpacas come in.
Oh, my.
We don't have all of the colors on the farm right now, but this is a color chart of all the different colors that alpacas come in. We take the different colors. I have a little recipe, 100 pounds of this, 100 pounds of that. We make this color yarn, and then we, from there, make this sock. So this is a commercial spinner. This is a commercial knitter that's going to knit this sock. We sell thousands of pairs of these socks. We've been in business 17 years. This is our
We just
number
bought
one
another
seller.
pair.
Yeah.
They're the best.
And they last pretty long, but they still, they wear out a little bit.
And when they
Yeah.
wear out, you go, oh no.
I know,
Yeah.
that's it. It's sad.
This is
Very sad.
sad day. It's a very sad day. If this fleece is a 5 or a 6, pretty coarse, my 21-year-old Winnie the Pooh, who is still here on the farm, she's one of our original girls, we would make dryer balls out of her. So she's good for dryer balls. They look like this. You can put them in your dryer.
Oh,
We
I
hand make
see.
these. So we sell lots of those as well.
So they have higher quality when they're younger, essentially?
Yes.
Okay.
As they age, it gets worse.
All right.
Just like our hair.
Just like us.
It doesn't improve. I say,
Everything.
I
All
say
about
it,
me. It just gets worse.
It just gets worse.
It just gets worse.
More product.
Yeah. We higher maintenance. We need all this work done. This is called a Surrey. There are 2 different breeds of alpacas.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
So this is a Surrey, and this is a Wakaya. We only have Wakayas. The Surrey can be the same size as the Wakaya. This model just happens to be short, but you can obviously see that its fleece style is much different. This is what we call like a dreadlock. They're a little more jumpy than our Wakayas are. I say it's because they don't cut their hair so they can't see. So if they would just cut their hair, they could see better and they wouldn't be so jumpy. But there's more uses for this style of fiber than there is this. This makes a really beautiful drapey product. Shawls and capes. This is gorgeous for that. This is more across the board usable. Mittens, hats, gloves, scarves. You know, Wakaya is the dominant of the two species. There's maybe 10% of these in the country versus 90% of these.
Oh, wow.
Oh, huge.
Big,
Yeah.
big number.
So we make our socks in 3 different lengths. That's the boot cut. This is our little crew, not a little crew. This is our Bigfoot little crew. This is for Bigfoot. Yeah, we have guys that are 15, so we do make big ones. And then this is our mid calf. So our shorty, and then our mid calf, and then our big tall boot cut.
Got it.
And where are we today, and where can people find you online?
We are. Where are we today?
Yeah.
We're at the farm.
Yeah,
The
what farm?
is Sabamba Alpaca Ranch.
And where might they find you online?
You would find us at www.sabambaalpaca.com.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
And you guys have Facebook too, right? We follow you on Facebook?
Do you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
Thank you.
all right.
Yeah.
And tell us the story about Sabamba, because last time we came, you mentioned that that was the name of your
7 children.
7 children, right?
Yes, we have 7 children. It's the first letter of each of their names.
Oh, yeah.
So when we started 17 years ago, the kids thought we were crazy. They still probably think we are, but they like the farm a lot more than they used to. They now come here. They're already, they are my Southern California
Yeah,
kids.
yeah, yeah.
I still have 3 of them there. And they were all back this summer, and they're all talking about moving back.
Oh, really nice, really nice.
Maybe not right away, but pretty soon.
the-
The expense of living in Southern California is
It is getting,
horrendous.
yeah.
It's too difficult to make ends meet, and they're
Oh, so cute.
We really.
You really don't know.
They want something. I don't know what something is.
You're
They
so
could be in the
cute.
barn with all their other buddies, and they still do that.
Sure. Oh,
Sometimes when they get annoyed,
Right.
it'll be louder.
oh,
That's probably-
okay.
they just
Well,
have
and this
that
is a
loud.
different routine.
Cute. Look at you.
One more. Come on.
Oh. Oh.
Right here, Abraham.
Birmingham. Okay guys, so thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin. We are here at Sabamba Farm here in De Pere, Wisconsin, guys. If you guys have the opportunity to come and check it out, please do. They do open all year long, even in winter. They do not have the bed and breakfast anymore, but you can see that you can come and see the alpacas, number 1. Number 2, you can come and buy a lot of product pertaining to alpaca product made. It is a beautiful place. They have a lot of product over here, guys. Come and check it out. Today happens to be open house, and it is a fantastic day. It is beautiful, and we already got some pictures with the alpacas. So thank you for watching us here at Jessica, Sinna in Wisconsin. Thank you for the subscribers, and thank you for the new subscribers. I appreciate that so much. We'll see you next time. Thank you.